Why? Why should I?
You don't have me?
Why should I? Give me a good reason and I'll do it.
Because I'm from
First
Algeria.
of all, you talk with your mouth full of food. That's the first. How can I hug you? You're gonna be chewing in my ear.
No, this is love.
But you're still talking.
Okay.
You're full.
Let me
Your
finish.
Tell me, when you're done. You see?
Respect.
What do you expect me to do, man? Just like swallow all the food? You just came up, I was eating a little bit of pineapple, you know? And just he showed up. You want me to swallow my food and like go to... It happened directly, guys. I didn't catch nothing. You're legendary, Thierry Henry, no? You're legendary, right? Come on, man. Arsenal, huh? Ah, Thierry Henry, hein? Thierry Henry. Mais t'es un légendaire Arsenal.